Hello everyone. This video is about associative array. There will be some cases where array is sparsely populated, like array is not completely filled to the fullest. So in that case, we can use this associative array where there is a chance for allocating some keys to it so that we can access the elements easily. And the keys can be of int type, string type, or any class type. At the end, those will be just integral keys, right? Um, if you ask me why, how could we use string? Like string is nothing but an ASCII value, so there will be no problem. And there are some methods involved while using associative array, which makes tasks easier. Num method is used to just return the number of entries, like number of elements in the associative array, and delete method is just used to delete specific indexing value, and exist method is used for, let's say, we have mentioned some indexing value x. It checks for that location whether that location has a value or not. If it has a value, it returns 1 or else 0. So first method is for, like, here we have mentioned int. So int will be receiving the value of the first index. Like let's say I have an array of size, let's say 6, 0, 1, 2, 3 up till 5. So if there is a value in location 1, let's say x, so using this first method, I'll be receiving the location, address of the location of the first value of the associative array. So zeroth location doesn't have any value. First location has value. So first method returns 1. So and in contrast, last method returns the last value of the associative array. Let's say 5 is the last indexing value, but I don't have any value in 5. I have value in third location. So it returns y to the int. So then next method is used to jump to the next location. Let's say currently int is pointing to location 2. So then it will, let's say 2 has some value. So by using next method, we can jump to third location like that. And previous is just an opposite to that next method. And if we take an example, here we have associative array and an address for randomization, like address for memory, and this is for data, and this is for reading the data from memory. Here we have some repeat block just to write the data to memory by randomizing address and data, and this is for checking, let's say associative array has how many entries in it, and this for loop is for just, this is for, okay, this is for reading the memory, where we will be reading the previously written memory, and it will be cross-checked with the associative array so that we can know whether our DUT is reading the correct data or not, or else it will throw an error. And at the end, we'll be deleting each and every associative array element, and at the end, we'll be left with 0 entries, so it will be giving 0 to us. And instead of that, we can use the methods as well. Like we have, like everything is same, but we can make use of first method and next method. See, in associative array, if we could know about the first indexing value, then that will make our life easier, right? So using first method, we'll be assigning AI with the first indexing value. It could be anything. In this case, it is since it is randomizing, we don't even know that. So this will be having the first indexing value, and we will be reading the data and then comparing that with the associative array, and then we'll just go for another location, right? So that's it, and it will be iterated and it will be cross-checked with the associative array. That's it.